Again, if you love the people you're serving, make them these Sfakianopitas. If you don't, screw them. Eat them all yourself. Let's go.
First of all, guys, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. We really appreciate all the likes and subscriptions and comments we get. They don't go unnoticed, so thank you very much. Today we are making a classic from the island of Crete, specifically the village of Sfakia in southern Crete. We're making Sfakian pies, or in Greek, Sfakianopitas. We're using pizza dough. It turned out great, but traditionally for this dish, you want to make your own pita without yeast. Throw in a shot of ouzo just for the flavor, but the pizza dough worked great. You want to roll them out into 6 to 8 inch diameters. For the cheese, we're using feta and ricotta. If you can get your hands on soft mizithra cheese, that would make this particular dish even more authentic. Yes, the cheese goes in the middle, then you want to roll those puppies out 6 to 8 inches as well in diameter. Put them on a frying pan. Don't oil the frying pan. Flip them a few times just to get that consistent crispiness. When you plate, drizzle with honey to your heart's content and enjoy.
All right, taste test. Sfakianopitas. Stiniyamas. Oh yeah, a little salty, a little sweet. I love you, but I'm gonna have these for myself. Is that wrong? One bite, and you'll understand why you should keep this all for yourself. Very delicious.